means around 1 or 2 weeks. Recently, they updated their Google Career Program new event. So the new event which is going to happen means already was started as Google Career Readiness Program, which is here you can see here Google Careerness, and this is mainly for the students who are interested in GCP clouds or any other cloud means knowledge they want to gain. They specially offer two tracks, that is the data scientist or data analytics track, or the associate engineer cloud track. So this program is very good because they offer you a monthly subscription of quick labs where you can use any number of labs, infinite number, from 1 month, and they offer you the free Coursera certification from Google, and which is will be officially called, and finally the certification will be done by them. So if you, and they are giving this free of cost, so do apply there, and if you are interested, please apply. So let us look to some details. So if you click here Google Career Readiness Program, you will see some options. So click here the first link, and you will land it to the programs page. And this is the one. Prepare for cloud careers with professional credentials. And here it is the apply button. And yeah, they get professional credentials to coursework and these things. Yeah, actually they offer two tracks. I think you can take any of one of them, associate cloud engineer track or the data analytics track. It was, sorry, data scientist, not data analytics track. So they will give you that ones, and if you want any of those tracks, you can apply here. So let's click apply. And this one is and this program only professors or the faculties of your college can apply, not students. So they have made us for very clear that eligibility is limited to faculty only. If you are interested student, please ask your professor to apply. So if you click here, and you don't have to fill these all, just tell your sir or means whom your faculty is to fill this form and tell all these details. So if you click there, please ask your professor. They will give you a ready-made template. Okay. So in the template, send your professor. They will give you a unique link for that. See, yeah, you insert your professor name here and your name, and this is the unique ID you will be giving. So here he will be filling the forms, and if you send you to a professor and tell him, so ask your professor to apply, and then he will select all these, because here they are asking department name. So department name and these all we don't know, actually faculties know, and they have to verify themselves. So ask your professors to click, and after they apply you, and means after they fill, they will the Google will mail you directly that you have been applied to this track and this track, and they will give you a monthly subscription of 1 month. I will show you my subscription. I got a monthly subscription till December, means infinite number of labs I can use. After you done with all that and things, you will see here, yeah, you can see here monthly subscription. Actually, I was having a credit around 600, but now after applying that, I've got my monthly subscription as this one. We'll see here, and any number of labs you can do here, but you have to complete that track first so that you can go further, and they will give you a Coursera link. So after clicking there, you will go to a Coursera link. So and there you will pursue all the details. So, and that's what this program is. This was a very great program on GCP cloud, so please apply there. Thank you for this video. Do mention your doubts and queries regarding to this video or your these things. I will give the link to in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and share and subscribe. Okay.